Hey everyone, I'm Puja and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be teaching you 4 different Halloween look. So the first look is inspired by Vampire Diaries. So I'm taking this fluffy big brush and picking up the red shade and blending it on the lower lash line as well as the hollows of my eyes. After that, I'm taking this small brush and making some nerve-like shapes with the help of the same red and also some brown color so that it will give some definition. After that, I am buffing it with the help of the same big brush so that it look like nerves and not something which is drawn on the face, and repeating the same step for the other eye. Now I'm applying this red lipstick as my lipstick and also as some definition of blood around my mouth area. And to give it a more realistic form, I'm also using this brush and brushing out all the harsh edges and making it a little bit more messy. And this is the final look. My eyes look red and also it looks like I had some blood for my breakfast, and it's the time for the second look, so let's move on. For the second look, I will draw a spider web. So I'm taking this big kohl liner and drawing some stripes, some straight lines for the spider web. I'm drawing straight lines for both of my eyes, and after drawing those straight lines, I will simply connect those with wavy lines to give it a spider web shape. I am also using some powder eyeshadow to give it a more black color to the spider web rather than a kajal. After finishing both of the eyes, I am taking this kajal and applying it on my spider web to make it more black. After completing both the eyes, you can literally stop there, but I wanted to make it more messy, so I'm taking this black and brown color, mixing both of them in the fluffy brush and applying it inside the spider web. Now I'm taking this flat shader brush and applying some black eyeliner on the corner of both the lips, both upper and lower lips, to give it a gradient shine or gradient look. And this is the final look, you guys. This is my spiderweb look for Halloween. The next look is inspired by Roxy. She did this beautiful blue eyes with thunder like strokes over her eyelid and the blue areas of her face. So I'm doing the same. I'm making this huge blue circles around my eyes and also covering some part of my nose to give it a sky-like look. So that I'm taking a dark blue shade and giving it more definition, like contouring the nose and also in the applying it in the crease of my eyes. And then I'm going to take a white color and with the help of a thin brush I'm going to create these thunder line strokes. And after that I'm giving my lips a white lipstick and also giving it ombre shade with the help of this blue color. I'm just smudging it on the corner of my lips, and here is the final look. I hope you all like this one. This is a very different look and also it is an inspired look. For the next and the very last look, which is the number 4, I'm doing this pumpkin inspired look. So I'm making a small circle on my nose, not a circle like a teardrop shape, and I'm filling it with some orange shadow and then giving some definition by making some black lines around the circle. And once I'm happy with the look of the nose, I will move to the lips. For lips, I will be filling my entire lip with a black color and then I will be stretching my lip corners. I'll take this black line to half of my cheek area. After that, I am making this stitching or fencing kind of a shape over my lips, over entire lip, and also the extending lines of my lips. I'm giving it kind of a stitching vibe. For eyeshadow, I'm using this yellow color. I'm using my fingers because at this point of my life, I don't have any brushes. And you can just leave it there, but I have added a sleek liner in my lower lash line as well as upper lash line because I don't want to leave it idle. Then I'm not using any pink blush. Indeed, I'm using this orange blush to go with the entire look. This is the final and the last look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you guys do, make sure you like, comment, share, and also do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, goodbye and take care.